Every morning is a new beginning, a fresh chance to shape the kind of day you want to have. And when it comes to school, the way you start your morning sets the tone for everything that follows. Your focus in class, your energy, even your mood. That's why a strong morning routine is so important. It's not just about waking up on time, it's about preparing your mind and body to show up as your best self. From the moment you open your eyes, every small step counts. How you take care of yourself, how you get ready, and how you set your intentions for the day. So before the school bell rings, let's make the morning count. Get your outfit ready the night before. Check the weather forecast so you can choose appropriate clothes. Stay warm in a long-sleeve tee and a sleek pair of skinny jeans, or go for a breezy, dramatic look with your favorite tee and a maxi skirt. And if your school doesn't allow home outfits or you're not sure what to wear, just go with your uniform. It keeps things simple and stress-free. Pack your lunch ahead of time. Fill your lunchbox with nutritious, tasty foods. Proteins, whole grains, fruits, and veggies are all great additions to your lunch. You might enjoy a cup of yogurt or a sandwich with rye bread. Low-fat granola, string cheese, grapes, apple slices, and baby carrots are all fantastic options too. Celery sticks, tortilla chips, avocado slices, and trail mix are other great choices. Move your alarm away from your bed. It's a lot harder to snooze your alarm when it's across the room. As you get ready for bed, move your alarm to the opposite of your bedroom, or some spot where you'll have to actually get up and shut off the alarm. Getting out of bed is the real challenge. Once you're already up and at it, it's way easier to get ready for school. Do your best to wake up at the same time each day. A steady routine will help you sleep better and more consistently. Make your bed as soon as you get up. Believe it or not, making your bed may boost your mood. In fact, some experts also believe that making your bed helps improve your self-esteem. Right after you climb out of bed, smooth your sheets and bedding out before doing anything else. See? You've already accomplished something in the first 5 minutes of your day. Some research suggests that people who make their beds actually sleep better too. Hop in the shower. A cool shower is a great way to wake yourself up. In fact, experts agree that a cool shower can help you feel more alert in the morning. If you prefer showering at night, that's totally fine too. Doll up your hair. Take a few minutes to brush your hair and choose the perfect hairstyle. Don't overthink this. There are tons of super cute, easy looks you can do without spending an hour in front of the mirror. A simple side swept ponytail is a great option, or you might try braiding your bangs or slipping on a stylish headband. You could twist your hair up into cute buns, or tie your hair into different kinds of braids. For a simple look, wear your hair down with a few hairpins. Eat a healthy breakfast. A great breakfast gives you lots of energy for the school day. Snack on nourishing foods like whole grains, protein, and low-fat dairy. Fruits and veggies are other nutritious and delicious options for your meal. Whip up a classic breakfast, like French toast, scrambled eggs, or a bowl of cereal, or go with something more unconventional, like a fruit and cream cheese sandwich. A whole grain bagel or English muffin is another great option. You might also enjoy a fruit smoothie, or a cup of yogurt mixed with chopped up fruit or nuts. Brush and floss your teeth. Brush with a fluoride-rich toothpaste for 2 minutes. Regular toothbrushing keeps your teeth clean and healthy, and is easy to fit into your regular morning routine. Then, floss between your teeth to get your teeth extra clean. Double-check that you have everything. Create a short checklist to make sure you're packed and ready to go. Do you have your lunchbox or lunch money? Got your books and homework packed? Make sure everything is ready to go so you don't have any unpleasant surprises during the school day. Practice gratitude. Take a few minutes to focus on what you're thankful for. Try to come up with at least 3 things that you're really happy and grateful for, even if they aren't that big. You could also write down these positive thoughts in a gratitude journal, if you'd like. Practicing gratitude is a great way to start your day on a happy, encouraging note. You might say, "I'm thankful for my friends. I'm glad I have a roof over my head." Or, "I'm grateful that it's almost Friday." Write daily affirmations. Jot down how you'd like your day to go. Do you have any tests or projects coming up, or maybe a big sports game? Write down how you'd like all these things to go. That's the school morning routine. See you next time for another daily routine video.